What's going on, guys? Emily here, I guess. That's how I'm going to introduce these videos now. But I decided to order from a website called Shop Miss A, where everything is pretty much $1 and it's all like makeup and beauty products and all of that. So I decided I would review the products and do a makeup look based on what I got. Now I didn't get any like eyeshadow or like face stuff really. I mainly just got like eyeliner and lashes. Like that's what I got from it. So we'll see how this goes. So the two pairs of eyelashes that I got are these. So I got these Care Beauty like really fluffy ones, if it would focus. And then I got these AOA Isabella ones. It says it's 100% natural hair. These ones are like super fluffy. That'll focus. There we go. And then I got two types of makeup wipes. This one is green tea and this one is rose water. Yeah, rose water. So I got those. I got this AOA brow pencil where one side is the actual pencil and then the other side is a spoolie. So that's pretty cool. And then I got, for the lashes, I just got this AOA lash glue, and it looks like this. And then I got this Artista eyeliner. Looks like this, and it actually is like really nice. It's like it writes really well. That. And then I got this white brow gel, because for some of my looks that I do are like cosplay-ish, and I like to have different colored eyebrows for them, and one of them is a fairy that has pink eyebrows. So I got some white gel so that the color will show up better on my brows, because I have like pretty dark brows. And then the last thing that I got was this Starlit liquid liner, which is basically just like a white shimmery liquid eyeliner. And it looks like that. So those are the products that I got from Shop Miss A. So now I'm going to go ahead and just do a primer and try and figure out a look to do and see how well these products work. I cannot talk. So I'm going to be using this Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow base primer. I got it with a BoxyCharm subscription, so that was pretty cool. But I do want to say I am still learning things with makeup. I like to say that I am pretty decent at it, but there's still a lot of things that I could improve on. But there's that, and I feel like I really want to use these like really fluffy lashes, so I feel like I should do like a really dramatic look. So I want to use my Remember Me palette, because it has like really colorful things in it. And I kind of have an idea of where I want to go, so don't mind me if I don't talk very much, because this is going to require a lot of focus. A lot of focus. I want to do a rainbow type look, so that's what we're gonna do, but I want to make it look cool. And I'm taking this brush. I really don't know what kind of brush it is, but on the end it says all over shadow, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna start out with this really light pink shade called Perky right right here. I'm going to use that all over the lid as a base. Now what I want to do is I want to go in and kind of do like red starting on the inner and then going out towards the blue and purple on the end. So I'm going to use this color here called Lovesick, which is a really nice red color. So, gotta tap it off. And I'm just putting that on the inner corner and buffing it out. And the next color I want to use is this stricken pink right here, just to kind of blend it out a little bit. Then we're going to use orange, so we're going to use this right here called High Key and pat it in. And as you can see, like, these colors are like really nice. They actually look really good on camera. Off camera, they still look really nice, but they look way more vibrant on camera than they do off. But this is what we're going with. And if there ends up being like a cut in the video, my camera is about to die, so if it dies, I apologize. Color we are going in with is going to be this sunlit yellow right here, and we're going to blend it out with this one right here called Soul. The orange and the yellow kind of look very similar, so I'm going to go back in with the orange and just kind of pat it in, because like in person you can tell the difference from where the orange and where the yellow is, but like on camera it's very hard to tell. I'm going to use this serene green color right here. I want to use this blue here called Lagoon. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I really don't know. But we're going to go in with that. And then I want to take this color called Cloud 9 and blend it out a little because it is a little dark. We're going to go in with Amethyst, this purple right here, for the inner corner on the bottom line. I'm going to I'm going to take my makeup wipe because I would have put tape down, but I don't know where my tape is. So we're just going to clean it up, make it a little more uniform. Like that. There we go. Now it looks a little crazy right now, but I promise you it'll look good in the end. So I'm just going to go in and fix up some of these colors and just sort of keep trying to pack them on so I can get the most payout, especially the yellow and the orange, because they're the ones that need it the most. So there we have that. I'm going to go ahead and copy this on the other lid and then come back and show you what the next step is. Okay, so I have done my best to try and get these to look similar, but like they never do. So the next step is something that I'm not very great at, but we are going to try and create a cut crease. Now, I'm just gonna wipe off part of my lid here, put a little bit more primer on those spots. I want to I really want to have a color here, but I don't know what I want. Actually, you know what? I do know what I'm gonna do. This might look very weird, but it's experimental. So bear with me. I'm gonna take the same colors that I used for the rainbow and just do little small sections. I mean, the way that it looks in the mirror is cool. I need to clean it up a bit, and then I will come back when this is all cleaned up and do the eyeliner. Okay, so the next step is eyeliner, and I've also never been the best with eyeliner, so this may or may not ruin everything, but I'm gonna do my best with it because I want to do this wing. See, this wing looks a lot better than this one does. I just don't know. The eyelashes will hide the imperfections, hopefully. Now, I want to take this and kind of like over the cut crease, kind of like make that line and then follow it where the black eyeliner is. Now, I don't know how well this is gonna work or how well this will show up on top of the colors, but that's what I want to try and do. Now, I'm gonna take this shimmer powder that I have on a tiny brush, something like this, for the inner corners and under the brow bone. So let's see how well this works. Now, normally when I do my brows, I don't really like change the shape of them that much. I just kind of like to make them stand out more. Sort of like that. And then I try to make the other one at least look the same, but you know, they're always just sisters, not twins. I am very, very, very bad at putting eyelashes on, but we are going to do our best because these look so pretty. Like, I don't know if that focused or not, but they're so pretty. Okay, that's about as much fiddling as I want to try and do with these lashes, but now we just do some little bit mascara to blend my real lashes in. So there we have that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some like foundation, highlighter, all that stuff, and I will come back and tell you what I think. And here's the final look with, you know, the lips, the highlighter. I even did my hair, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. So far, these products are actually pretty nice. You know, I'm still beginner at makeup, so like, I think it looks pretty decent. I don't have any complaints about any of these yet. There is still room for improvement, but as of right now, I think these products are really awesome, and so is this makeup look. So if you want me to do like an in-depth tutorial of like this, or like my hair, or just like overall anything, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like on this video because it lets me know that you support what I do and you want to see more. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you will be notified of when I upload next. So yes, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!